Hey, welcome once again to the Ambient Riff of the Week. This is Eric Myers with Be the Reformation Ministry and Destiny City Church, helping you, the worship pastor or the worship guitarist, be the best that you can be. Today we're going to do something a tad bit different. We're going to use drop D tuning. We're going to be a little higher on the neck, and it's going to sound really good. I'll get my guitar tuned up and we will definitely get going. Okay, so basically what we've got is we've got this our E string tuned down to a D. Everything else is tuned normal. So we're going to start over here at the 12th fret. This is going to be your high D. That's a high D, and we're going to right here on our G string. That's where we're going to be at, and so we're going to play these two together. We're going to play this D. Then we're still going to leave our finger here on the E string, which is our basically our D string right now. We're going to drop down to this. So again, we're going. One more time. That's the first half of the riff. The second one is this. You're going to drone that out, and basically it's the same thing. So what we have now is this. You can also pick up this A right here. This would normally not be an A, but because we've got it in drop D tuning, this becomes your A. See, this is going to be on the 7th fret, not on the 5th. So and then we're going to drop down. Now this is your G. Okay. So now we have something like this. What it looks like. Now we're going to add just one effect to it, and let me get that going. Okay, so now I've got my DL4, my Line 6 DL4 on. I have it on auto volume echo, and we're just basically going to it's like a swell kind of sound. So here we go. Okay, so there you go. I hope that you enjoyed that little ambient riff of the week. Thank you for watching. For those of you who don't know Jesus, I just encourage you to seek the Savior out. And those of you who do, and I just want to say thank you for serving the church body. And as always, be encouraged. Hey, listen. Really, do a brother a favor. Like, subscribe, and share.